With very special guest, MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank, one of the largest public sector bank, Atul Kumar Goel sir with us. Welcome sir on Moneycontrol.
Thank you very much.
Sir, just to begin with, what is your strategy on additional lending to Adani Group since Punjab National Bank has exposure of around rupees 7,000 crores so far?
As on date, we have already informed to everybody the exposure is around now 7,000 to 6,500 crore rupees, but outstanding as on date is in the range of the 3,500.
Will you lend Adani in future?
We will see to it. As on date, we will take a call. We are seeing the what is the position of the group in the times to come.
Has the Punjab National Bank put the Nirav Modi episode behind? Any recovery update?
Recovery, little bit recovery have made, we made around 70-80 crore rupees. We have already recovered, and we are in the process of the recovery. We have taken the all possible steps
Okay.
which is required to take the recovery from there.
Okay, sir. Sir, a court-appointed liquidation in India will start auctioning precious metals and gemstone of Nirav Modi's company. Any hope you have from that auction?
Definitely.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is your outlook on stressed asset at this point of time?
As far as stress assets is concerned, if you see the entire banking sector, not only the Punjab National Bank, gross NPA has reduced drastically. As a banking industry, it has come around 5%. We used to be around 11 to 15% 4-5 year back. So there is, I think, there is no stress as on date also, because we are also seeing we have taken a lot of initiative. Take the how to improve the writing standard. We have did our data from the 1st of the July 2020 to 31st July to the 31st December 2022. Around more than 4.5 lakh crore we have sanctioned, out of which the fresh NPA is only 0.19%, and we have measured this segment wise also. What is the in agriculture, what is the MSME where it used to be around 10%, it is maximum 1.41% is only the MSME. So there is no much stress in the new underwriting, because we have taken digitally transformation also.
Where do you see most of the loan demand is coming from nowadays?
Loan is demand, because if you see the budget also last year and this year also, government has given lot of thrust on the infrastructure. So there is a lot of demand in the infra side, particularly to the road project, and there is a very good demand from the NBFCs also, because if we are not in a position to finance to the some of the project, the NBFCs finance. A lot of very good demand in the NBFCs. Out of the more than 8 lakh crore, our exposure to the NBFC is around 1.70 lakh crore rupees. And out, I'm happy to share, out of this 1,17,000, 98% is the A and above externally rating. And one more thing I would like to tell, because the earlier the corporate who have sanctioned the working capital limit, they were not utilizing. Now they are utilizing. So there is also demand from the already sanctioned working capital limit and expansion program, which they were not coming last 2 years back on account of the COVID or the geopolitical situation also. Now there is a demand in the expansion of the project, like there is a demand in the cement industry, steel industry. So the new expansion plan is also coming.
In quarter third, PNB witnessed fall of a net profit fall of 44%. Quarter four is coming. What kind of expectations do you have?
You see, there is you are seeing YOY, but I am seeing quarter to quarter. If you see the quarter to quarter, from you compare all the 4 quarter from the March 22, June 22, September 22, December 22, operating profit is increasing quarter by quarter, and net profit is increasing quarter by quarter. Even NNI is increasing quarter by quarter. There is a reduction in the gross NPA quarter by quarter. There is a reduction in the net NPA quarter by quarter. And PCR, which used to be around 81%, it has increased 85%. Since our PCR has already improved to 85%, it has reduced our aging requirement. So in times to come, because if you see my credit cost, which used to be around between 1.75 to 2%, it will reduce drastically in times to come. So profitability is naturally to be increased in times to come.
Central Bank has recently launched their pilot project for CBDC. Any hope that PNB will also jump into that?
We are also part of it.
You are also
We are
part
also
of
part
it. How is it going on? Like
It is
so
going.
far?
It is going good. Whatever the guidelines of the regulator. Yeah.
Does PNB have planned to spin tech vertical into a different company, since you have also launched recently some of that technology driven banking initiatives? So any update on that, sir?
Actually, we are changing our vision because PNB is not a bank. We are thinking PNB is a IT company providing banking service. So we are making lot of collaboration with the fintech company also. We are not thinking earlier there was a talk ki fintech company can take their business also. They are a competitor. So I am of the view that they are not the competitor. They are the, if we have to do the collaborate with them with the win-win situation for the fintech company as well as the bank.
Any collaboration announcement
lot
like
of
in
lot
the,
of lot of collaboration we under process also. A lot of collaboration we have made in the
your eyes is also on small giants like like those whose presence already on ground, specifically in the rural area, since you are also talking about MSMEs. So yeah.
actually rural area mein we are देखिए we are having 10,000 branches are around more than 50% branches in the rural area as the MSME, and we are having the 16 crore customer to reach in some of the area where we are not reaching. We are making co-lending arrangement with the NBFCs so that we can participate in that particular area also.
The last question, sir, I would ask. India rating assigned AA plus ratings on rupees 800 crore ETA1
Yeah,
bond.
yeah, yeah.
When you are planning to raise this?
Actually, we have already got the approval of the board
Okay.
for raising 12,000 crore rupees in the current financial year. Out of this 12,000 crore rupees, 5,500 crore for the 81 and 6,500 crore was the tier 2. Against this 6,500, already 4,000 crore rupees tier 2 in the last quarter, and around 3,200 plus we have already raised in the 81. As on date, if you see my capital adequacy ratio is 15.1% and is the requirement of the 11.5. So we are comfortably, we are watching the market. If rate of interest will be as per our choice, then we will raise. Otherwise, there is no immediate need of raising. Yeah.
So just last question, sir. So will the events like Adani credit affect credit appraisal process of bank when it comes to large complex corporations?
I don't think so. There is a need for changing of the process also. Whatever the exposure we have taken in the Adani company, that is within the policy framework of the banks and the guidelines of the regulator.
Customers don't need to worry about the money at PNB.
As on date, we are not worried. We are keeping the close watch of the development in, and we will see how it will take the shape.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us the time. So we have joined with the PNB MD Atul Kumar Goel, sir. You're watching Money Control.